Hello everyone, I'm Anish Bhattacharya, and in this video I will be showing you how you can publish your root CA's CRL. So before we begin in your issuing CA, we will open up pkview.msc, and in the root CA, we'll click on root CA and just check when is the CRL expiring. So that will be your CDP locations. In the CDP location, we can see that the CRL expires on 10/11/2024. So the next thing, we'll go to our issuing root CA and open a command prompt as an administrator, and we'll run the command certutil -crl. Once the command is successfully run, we'll move to C drive, Windows, System32, search serve, certain root, and we will copy the CRL file from here. We can open the CRL file and see when it is expiring. So this is expiring in March 18, and this is effective from March 19. So once we have done that, we'll just copy this file and copy this to a temporary folder. Since the root CA is supposed to be online, we will be copying it somewhere where we can transfer it from the root CA to the issuing CA. In this case, I'll transfer it somewhere in C drive. So I'll create a new folder called temp. And I'll copy it from here to there. Once the root CA's CRL is copied, we'll open up command prompt as an administrator, and we'll move to this drive. Once we are in this drive, then we will run a few commands. So the first command that we need to run is to publish on the LDAP location, which is CDP location 1. So for that, we'll do certutil -f-ts publish. So the name of the file is encryption CRL, and then we need to mention the CA01's host name. So for here, I'll just confirm what the host name is. So the host name is CA01. So I'll be mentioning CA01 over here. Once the CRL is added, you have added it on your CDP location 1. So if I refresh only this, you can see that it updates to 3/18/2025. The next thing that you need to do is copy your CRL to your SRV servers. Now these servers can be multiple servers for you. So I'll just copy this file again in the temporary folder that we have, move to the server locations, and simply copy it over here. Now if your server is connected to your issuing CA using some kind of network share, you can directly paste it over there. So I move to the certain root folder. Now I will simply copy this file from here to here. So I'll make sure this is not the current file. So let's paste it again. Copy and replace. And there we go. So March 18 it is updated. Let us go back and make sure that both the CDP location show the exact same expiration date. The final thing that we do is just publish it on your issuing CA as well, just to confirm that everything is working fine. Since this command is successful, everything is working fine, and you have updated your root CA's CRL for your Microsoft API. Thank you, and I will see you next time.